Okay. So this morning, by the way, maklaro ra ako ang tingog, dili ra putol-putol.
Yes, sir.
Okay ra, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay ra, sir.
Okay, so this morning we will just or I will just solicit some questions from you regarding those two links no nga ko ang gi-post in your Google Classroom. Nakita ninyo to? Itong ako ang duha ka links about pH and POH calculations. Nabasa ninyo ni? Or wala? I posted this one um, on December 4, Tuesday ata or Monday. Let me 4, 4, 4, 4, 6 gapon. Yeah, Monday. Murag Monday. Ako na post. Nakita niyo ni? Nabasa niyo ni? About pH and POH calculations? Hello, napabay tao dira?
Yes, sir. Pero wala pa na ako nahaman og basa tanan, sir.
How about the others?
Same food, sir.
Same, sir.
Char,
Same food, sir.
pasave na yun. Gusto ko ito kabasa. It's a very short and very comprehensive na kini ang article on how to calculate the pH and the POH of a solution. Okay? Um, Let me just share to you share na lang ako ng entire screen. And then, let's look at the, ano saan eh? This one. Okay, this one. Okay, it's very easy to understand. Um, and the calculations are also very easy compared to our previous na mga calculations. Okay? Um, if you have with you your cell phone, kung dili kayo yung maklaro ako ang screen, you can click the link in your Google Classroom para mas maklaro niyo sa atong basahon. Okay, because I did not provide a PowerPoint presentation for this one because very comprehensive naman nga kuan or summarize naman nga kini ang article here about pH and POH. So in this kini ang lesson, we have here learning outcomes or yung learning objectives ng lesson na to. First is to explain the characterization of aqueous solutions. Yung si aqueous solution, yung mga liquid solutions as acidic, basic, or neutral. Okay, express hydronium and hydroxide ion concentrations on the pH and POH scales. Perform calculations relating pH and POH. Okay, so kung nabasa ninyo ni, okay, let me highlight this one. Tawagon na ito ang isa ka solution nga neutral, this one. Okay? So, ang solution daw is neutral, this one. Okay? If it contains equal concentrations of hydronium and hydroxide ions. Yung H3O+, that is hydronium. Hydroxide ion is yung HO negative. Okay, I hope you can still remember yung mga ions natin when we discuss about the Arrhenius kini ang acid and base. Okay? Di ba? According to the Arrhenius acid and base definition, an acid is the one that dissociates in water and will kini ang increase the concentration of hydrogen ions. And then later on, sa hydrogen ions will combine with water to produce hydronium ions. And then yung Arrhenius na base, we call that Arrhenius na base if that substance when dissociated in water or mag-dissolve siya sa water, it will increase the concentration of hydroxide ions. Okay? Ang isa naman ka solution is acidic. Okay, this is based on the definition of Arrhenius. If it contains greater concentration of hydronium ions than hydroxide ions. Okay? So kung daghan ang hydronium ions or hydrogen ions, acidic ang isa ka solution. Okay? Baliktad naman if daghan ang kini ang hydroxide ions, okay? And then lesser ang hydronium ions, kana nga solution will be basic. Okay? So ayan. We have here okay. Again, pag daghan ang hydronium concentration, okay, compared sa hydroxide ion, the solution is acidic. Makita na ninyo ako ang slide? Makita na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So again, if the hydronium ion, okay, is greater than, ibalan nyo na greater than, kung asa nagbuka ang baba, maunay dako. Okay, sa duha. For example here, nagbuka ang baba, or asa nakatubang ang baba sa kini ang this one. Okay, maunay dako. Ang nasa likod, maunay siya gamay. So in this case, si hydronium ion is greater than the hydroxide ion in the solution. So if that is the case, this solution is acidic. Okay? However, if the hydronium ion concentration is less than the hydroxide ion concentration, okay, meaning daghan og hydroxide ion concentration compared sa hydronium, the solution is what we call basic. Okay? Basic yung solution. But, where is this one? Let's use arrow na lang because this is not a equation. Okay. However, if the hydronium ion concentration is equal to the hydroxide ion concentration in the solution is considered as neutral. Okay, so that is what is being discussed here in this article, the first part ng article. Okay, so I hope that is clear sa inyong tanan. Okay, so these concentrations of hydronium and hydroxide ions is being expressed using this equation. Okay, so P x is equal to the negative logarithm of x. Okay? Very sorry if namin madungog na warag kini ang nagdabas baka og bakal yun because na ay nagtrabaho din sa palibot. Pero maklaro na kung tingog, dili ra kayo kusog na yung kuan.
Tama na, sir.
Tama na, sir.
Okay. Let me naglibog paghapon. Okay? So, by the way, this one, hydronium, okay? Di ba? According to the Arrhenius base nga definition, an acid, okay, for example, a hydrochloric acid, okay, when it is dissociated in water, okay, it will increase the concentration of kini ang concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay? So in this case, H2O ang product at saka yung chlorine. Okay? However, later on, si hydrogen ion and si water will bond together to form the hydronium ion. So ayaw mo og kalibog. Ingon si sir kay ang Arrhenius acid kay maka-increase og kini ang hydrogen ion concentration. Pero sa equation lagi kay walay hydrogen ion concentration, hydronium lang. Because si hydrogen ion is being combined with the water here. Okay, I hope that is clear to everybody. Okay, let's go back here with the equation on how to calculate the pH and the pOH. So pH stands for the power of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pOH stands for the power of hydroxide ion concentration in a solution. Okay, so it's stated here that the pH daw of a solution is therefore defined as shown here, where the hydronium ion is the molar concentration of hydronium ion in the solution. Okay? So yung unit ng concentration here is M, capital M, for molarity. Molarity or molar concentration, they are the same. Okay? So very easy lang ang equation if we want to solve for the pH value ng isang solution. All we need to do is to identify the molarity of the hydronium ion and then get its negative logarithm. Okay? So in our in your calculator, you just have to click negative and then log. And then i-input dayon ninyo ang what we call this one, the value of the hydronium ion. Unya na tayo daga mga example diri sa ubos. Okay? And we can also rearrange this equation, this one. Okay, this one, kung atong ipangita, morning equation tong gamiton, if ang ato ang ipangita is ang pH value ng isang solution. This one is somehow a derivation of that equation. We will use this equation if we want to determine or identify yung molarity ni hydronium ion using the pH. Okay? So, if you have your ball pen and paper with you right now, isulat sa ning duha ka mga equation. Okay? Kaya ato lang gamiton unya sa mga examples. So this one, if the given is the hydronium ion, or if the given is the pH, kini nga mga equation ang ato ang gamiton. Okay? However, if pOH naman atong gamiton, by the way, pH and pOH, okay, they are two similar, not similar, but kini ang unsa na si term ano sa English o nga, they basta somehow they are kini ang indicators of kini ang acidity and alkalinity or basicity ng isang solution. So if you want to solve for the acidity or the alkalinity of a solution, we can use pH or yung pOH nga scale. However, dili kay well known si pOH, kay kasagaran ginagamit nga scale is si pH. Okay? sa acidity o sa basicity sa isa ka solution. Okay? So, similar lang pag pOH ang atong gamiton. Okay? Dariya sa pH, yung pH ato ang gamiton nga scale, ang ato ang gamiton nga molarity is si hydronium. Okay? Sa hydronium ato ang gamiton nga molarity. Pero kung pOH atong gipangita, si hydroxide ion ang ato ang gamiton. Okay? So, this one, ito ang gamiton nga equation if we are going to solve for the pOH of a solution. And this one naman, ato ang gamiton nga equation if we are going to solve for the molar concentration o yung molarity ng isang molarity ng hydroxide ion. Ha? Sige na may tubod atong sipon. Sarap na itong bubon mo. Okay. Okay, let's resume. Okay, so again, naatay upat na tanan, upat na equation, but if pH itong gamiton, hydronium ang ato ang, or pH itong pangitaon, hydronium ang ato ang given. Pero kung si hydronium concentration ato ang pangitaon, si pH ang ato ang given. Okay? However, if pOH atong pangitaon, si hydroxide ion ang ato ang given or ato ang first nga given. And then if si hydroxide ion ato pangitaon, si pOH ang ato ang kini ang given. Okay? So finally, the relationship between these two ion concentration expressed as the P function is easily derived from the Kw expression. Kw stands for auto-ionization constant or yung self-ionization constant. Again, Kw stands for auto-ionization constant or the self-ionization constant. Okay? So, the auto-ionization constant is the product of the hydronium ion concentration and the hydroxide ion concentration. Okay? So, we can also derive this this equation here as this one. Okay? So, the power of the auto-ionization constant is equal to the pH and the pOH of the solution. Okay? So, ato ang hinumduman that at 25, this is room temperature, at 25 degrees Celsius, ang value ni Kw or ni kini ang auto-ionization constant sa water is 1.0 to the power of negative 14. Okay? So, since ang highest nga pH at 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 14, di ba? May tawag ang pH is below 7, that will be acidic, right? If the pH is above 14, that will be above 14. Above 7, that will be basic ang solution. Okay? This is because yung pH at saka yung pOH na isang solution should equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Again ha, sa 25 degrees Celsius, pag atuang i-add ang pH o pOH sa solution, the answer should equal to 14. Okay? Pero kung lahi na ang temperature ng solution, dili na 14 ang sum ni pH o ni pOH. Okay, natay example ana unya. Okay? So that means if for example in water, yung pure water, di ba ang pure water is neutral, it has a pH of 7. Okay? So kung pH niya is 7, that means that the molarity of the hydronium ion is equal to negative 1.0 raised to the power of negative 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay? So again, let me have first salat atong calculator. Okay. Ayan, makita ra? Makita ra akong calculator sa inyong screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So again, we all know, kahibalo ta tanan, that the ang pH ni water, okay, is 7. Yung pure water ha, 7, which is neutral. Okay? So how do we get the unsa na? The hydronium concentration. Okay? So we will use this formula. Okay? Hydronium concentration. We will use this formula para identify nato pila ang hydronium concentration sa pure water. Okay, so we will use this formula. Hydronium concentration is equal to 10 raised to the power of negative pH. And ato ang value sa pH sa water is 7. So let us use that one. So 10 raised to the power of negative 7. Okay, negative 7. Pila ka? Okay. Okay. So the concentration of hydronium ion is 1 to the power of negative 7, which is this one. The same with this one. Okay. Okay? Klaro ninyo? Nakita ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
again, if we want to calculate for the hydronium ion concentration, we will use the pH of the solution. For example, here, see water is a young pH is negative 7. So all we need to do is to calculate hydronium ion. Diba yung formula is hydronium ion is equal to 10 raised to the power of negative pH. And then si pH is 7. Okay, so negative 7 atong pH. I'm sorry, negative 7 ang atong value din niya. Raised to the power 10 raised to the power of negative 7, that will be 1 by 10 to the power of 7, or 1.0 by 10 to the power of 7. So they are the same. Okay? So that means po, let me hide that one. So since pH og si pOH is equal to 14 and naman tay kini ang pH nyo 7, that could also mean that the POH is also 7. Okay? As you can see here. So, if pH is equal to 7 at 25 degrees Celsius, do not be mistaken, kini ang pH value could be lower than 1, na ay pH value nga negative, paubos, or na po pH value nga higher than 14. If kini ang temperature is not equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay? So, at 25 degrees Celsius, yung pH ng water is 7. This one. Yung pH ng water is 7. And then, yung POH ng water naman is also 7. Okay? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Again, pag 25 degrees Celsius, yung pH ng pure water is 7. POH po niya is also 7. Okay? So, however here, in this example, ayan, here, hawa namin. Okay, here, the temperature of water is 80 degrees Celsius. Okay? So, at 80 degrees Celsius, yung pH ni water na neutral is 6.31. Okay? This is neutral. Diba? Kung ang 25 degrees Celsius, pag 25 degrees Celsius ang temperature ni water, and then ang iyang pH is 6.31, acidic si water. Now, again, as what we have discussed, sa first part ng ating discussion sa acid and base, si water is amphoteric na molecule. When we say amphoteric na molecule, it could be that water is acidic, it could be that water is basic. Okay, it can act as a base and also it can act as an acid. Okay, so in this case, pag ang water is at 80 degrees Celsius, okay, ang iyahang neutral na pH is 6.31 dili 7. Okay? Kaya ang hydronium molarity ni pure water at 80 degrees Celsius is 4.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7 man. Okay? So, mao man ni ang value sa ato ang hydronium, yung H3O+. This one. As you can see here in the ang calculation ng pH. Okay? So, we have here the negative logarithm of 4.9 to the power of negative 7 is equal to this one. 6.39 31. Round off na. 6.31. Okay? Again, different yung different yung temperature ng solution or ni water baka ha, different po yung pH value niya nga neutral siya. Okay? So that means the ionization constant of this one, okay, we go back to our PowerPoint para makasolve tayo. Okay, so again pKW is equal to pH plus POH, right? So here, ayan, si pH is 631 and also the POH is also 631. Isa naman ito ang laptop. Loko. Okay? So, pKW is equal to 6.31 plus ang pH is 6.31, ang POH is also 6.31, therefore the auto ionization of water at 80 degrees Celsius nga, 80 degree Celsius is equal to pila? 12.62.
12.62.
Okay? So that is the auto ionization constant ng water at 80 degrees Celsius. Pero at 25 degrees Celsius, okay, at 25 degrees Celsius, pKW is equal to 14. Okay, ang pH o ang iyang pOH is equal to 7 na. So the pKW is equal to 14. Okay? So again, inyo hasang i-check if unsay temperature sa solution para mabalaan ninyo ang iyang correct na pH and also its correct hydronium concentration at saka yung hydroxide concentration. Okay? So again, at this temperature, neutral solutions, okay, this one, at this temperature, neutral solutions exhibit a pH and pOH of 1631. So kung ang pH niya is less than 631, acidic siya. Okay? Or ang iyang pOH is greater than 631, acidic siya. Okay? Pero kung ang iyang pH is greater than 631, basic siya. Or ang iyang pOH is less than 631, basic siya. Okay? So that is for 80 degree Celsius nga temperature ng pure water. Okay? So we have here this table again, yung relationship ng relative ion concentration. Pag acidic, mas daghan ang hydronium concentration, hydronium ions, kaysa sa hydroxide ions. The pH is less than 7. Okay? 6.9 paubos. Ayan. If equal naman yung hydronium ion at saka yung hydroxide ion, then that solution is neutral. However, if gamay ang hydronium ion, unya daghan ang kini ang hydroxide ion, that is basic na solution. And the pH is greater than 7. Okay? So we have this table also. Magamitin natin. So, okay. Okay. So we have here. Okay. So inyong hinumduman, okay, regardless, not regardless, in this example, the temperature of this solution is at 25 degrees Celsius, room temperature. Okay? Pag gamay ang pH, that will be acidic. Okay? Kining nasa taas tanan, hindi na ko ma-highlight. Okay? Pag gamay ang pH, okay, below 7 ang pH, that will be acidic. Pero kung above 7 ang pH, pOH, that will be acidic also. Ha, yan mo kalibog ha. Pag below 7 ang pH, acidic ang solution. Okay? Pero kung ang iyang pOH is above 7, kana nga solution is acidic also. Ha, basta maglibog mo sa pH. Kaya again, pH o pOH, kung imo sa i-plus, it should equal to 14 kung ang temperature ng solution is at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay? However, if the pH, this one, is above 7, okay, if the pH is above 7, kana nga solution is basic siya. Okay? So, makita ninyo na yung line here, nga kang pure water, yung 7. Okay? So, yung third na column, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? pH na siya nga column. And then, ang fourth na column, 7, 6, 5, padulong sa negative 1. That is POH. Pag ang pH taas sa 7 or above 7, that will be basic. However, if the POH is less than 7, the solution is also basic. Sabtan? Ayun, nasabtan na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Question,
sir.
question so far before we proceed with example, mga example. You can raise your hand first. Click the raise hand button before you ask your question. Uli pangutana. Again, this is very easy lang gyud kini ang calculations kay dili kayo complex ang equation, no? Kadto lang negative log. And then, calculate na tayo niyo. Okay. So, we have also here, okay, inyuhang timailhan, bisag pag dili na ka mag calculate, banaon na nimo. Pag ang iyang, kini sa first column, ganito na yung first column. Let me dako na to. Okay, first column, hydronium ion, yung molarity ng hydronium ion. Okay? So 7 na nasa pinakaubos, pure water. Yan. Pag ang hydronium ion concentration, ang iyaga ng exponent is negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 1, or 0, or positive 1 ang iyang kiniang exponent. Okay? Nagkadako yung exponent. Again ha, pag gamay ang exponent, dako na siya nga number. Okay? So pag ang exponent sa imong hydronium ion concentration is negative 6, padulong kang negative 1 or 0, kana nga kini ang solution is acidic siya. Okay? Always siya acidic. Okay? For example, ayan. Okay. For example, ang hydronium ion concentration is equal to 4.6 by 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay? So to calculate the pH for that one, pH is equal to the negative logarithm of the hydronium ion concentration. Okay? Negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. So we have here pH is equal to negative log of 4.6 by 10 to the negative 3. Okay, so if we are going to use the calculator, okay, so we have here negative log, okay, of 4.6 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay, the pH for that will be acidic. Okay, pH is 2 point something. Okay, so that will be acidic. By the way, bisa to nawa kunya ni natong discuss pero ato alang kini ang unsa na ato alang dalikyatan karon do discuss. For example, here pag unsa na to pag-answer, lahi ang kini ang pag round off sa pH o POH ha. Kaya kung mag-round off ka sa pH o POH, ayaw to ninyo i-follow tong ato ang na-discuss gani about rules in rounding off. Okay? Ang pH o POH nga calculations is kini ang somehow lahat ng digital places is kini ang importansya. So dapat careful ka sa pag-round off. Okay? So in rounding off sa final answer, for example here 2.337242168 ang answer. So ato lang i-round off. Okay? So ang pag-round off nato ana, tan-aw nato first ang given. So ang given nato here is 4.6 by 10 to the negative 3. Okay? Ato ang i-identify pila ka significant figure. Pila ka significant figure ang naa dinhi sa 4.6 by 10 to the negative 3. Pila ka significant figure? Hello? Madungan pa ko?
1.
1 ba?
Medyo, sir.
Significant figure. Pila ka significant figure here?
Oo, sir. But,
Upat ba? Okay? Only 2. Only 2, ha? Remember, in scientific notations, kining times 10, dili nyo ni siya i-appeal sa inyong pag-ihap sa kini ang significant figure. Okay? Again, ha? In scientific notations, dili nyo ni i-appealing times 10 sa pag-ihap sa significant figure. Kini lang na din hiya. Okay? Yung n lang, di ba? Yung scientific notation is n is equal to, n times 10 to the power of, mauna yung formula ni scientific notation, di ba? 10 to the power of n. Okay? So, ang inyo lang ihapon nga numbers for significant figure is kini lang value ni n. And in this case, ang value ni n is 4.6. So, this one, naatay duha ka significant figure. Yes, Miss Kappa, you have raised your hand. Lilibeth? O si kisa to? Raise ng hand.
si Hazel po.
Yeah, do you have questions? Na may question, Hazel o Lilibeth? Okay, murag na pindot siguro to nila. Okay? So in this case, ato ang given na ay duha ka significant figure. Okay? Ayan. So, in our answer here, dili na to siya i-round off into 2 significant figure. Okay? Ang pag-round off nato, kung duha ka significant figure here, dapat ang decimal places is duha ka buok. Dili kay but pasabot nga duha ka significant figure here sa given, duha pud ka significant figure sa pag-round off nato sa final answer. Okay? So ato sa naisulat 2.3372 2.3372 7242168 7242168 7242168 check natin. Okay. 337242 Okay. Ito sa nang i-accept. Okay? So pag round off nato sa final answer natin for calculating pH and pOH, pag ang ato ang given nga hydronium ion or hydroxide ion is duha ka significant figure, ang ato lang i-round off is yung duha ka decimal places. Okay? So, the pH value here is equal to 2.30. Next nga number ni 3 is 7 months. So, this will be 2.34 ang iyang pH, which is acidic. Okay, again ha, yung pag-round off ninyo for the final answer ng PH, inyong tanawon ang given kung pinaka
34, sir.
significant figure, and then round off ninyo into 2 kung pila ka decimal places, okay, sa final answer. So here, 2.337242168 ang answer. 2 decimal places lang ato ang pag-round off. However, ang next na number ni 3 is 7 man. So, plus 1 tayo with 3. This will be 2.34. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Question? May pangutana?
And so far.
Okay, none so far. Very good. So again ha, inumduman nyo na. Pag ang hydronium ion is negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, ang iyang exponent automatic acidic na siya nga kini ang solution. Bisa pag dili ka mag-solve, acidic na siya. Okay? Pero kung exact value ng pH imong pangitaon, you need to solve. Pero kung imuha lang iingon kung acidic siya or basic, you can answer that dayon. Okay? Dito na nga pag-answer. For example, what is the kini ang for example, ang hydronium concentration is 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of negative 5. Acidic or basic?
Acidic.
Acidic. Okay? So, acidic siya. Again, ha? So, 4.5 raised to the power of negative 5, acidic na siya nga kini ang solution. Okay? Pag dili naman given ang hydronium, ang given kay hydroxide ion, okay? Pag hydroxide ion ang given, unya ang iyang exponent is negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, 11, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, so on and so forth. Kana siya nga kini ang solution is also acidic. Okay, kay baliktad maning kuan. Hydronium o hydroxide ion. Kaya sa isa ka solution, pag taas ang hydronium concentration, ubos ang hydroxide concentration. Pero kung taas ang hydroxide concentration, ubos ang hydronium concentration. Okay, so just kini ang look at this table here, and then analyze ninyo, mabalaan na dahil ninyo ang solution kung basic ba siya or acidic, pagtanaw lang sa concentration sa iyang hydronium or sa iyang hydroxide ion nga concentration. Okay? So the same po din hiya. If ang hydronium concentration is naay kini ang exponent nga negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, 13, 14, negative 15, basic na siya nga solution. Okay, for example, the hydronium concentration, is equal to, we have here 2.72 times 10 to the power of negative 13. Okay, so we have here pH is equal to the negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. Okay? So pH is equal to negative log of 2.72 by 10 to the negative 13. So kung atuan na siyang isolve using the calculator, okay, so negative log, so kung naan mo'y separate yung calculator, no? You can also follow our calculation. Negative log of 2.72 times 10 to the power of negative 13. Okay? So this will be, ang pH is basic. pH is basic above 7. Okay? So the pH here is 12.5654311. So again, the same yapon sa kung gaina, kung pila ka significant figure ang imuhang given, in this case, pila ka significant figure ato ang given?
3, sir.
Tulo. So tulo pod ka decimal places ato ang final answer ang ato ang pag-round off. So we have here 12.565 ta mag-stop, and next nga number ni 5 is 4 man, so as is lang ta 5, dili ta magdugang og 1. So the final answer here, pH is equal to 12.565. Okay, that is now the final answer. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again,
Sir.
you can already kini ang unsa na? You can already identify if the solution is acidic or basic without calculating if you already know the exponent of the hydronium ion concentration. Okay, so baliktad siya. So kung ang iyang exponent is below negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, acidic siya. So above negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, 12, so on and so forth, that will be kini ang siya, kini ang basic. Okay? How about baliktado nato? Sige daw. Try to solve in your paper and then i-chat sa ato ang chat box here. Na may chat box na to here sa Google Meet, no? I-chat ninyo ang pH of the solution. Okay? I will try to chat here your answer. Okay. Sa chat box diri ha sa kuan, dili sa kini ang unsa na? Dili sa inyong unsa to nag hands up? Naabay nag hands up. Wala. Okay? So chat di sa ito ang chat box, dili dito sa GC. Okay? So let's say for example, the hydroxide concentration is equal to 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of negative 2. Pila ang iyahang pH. Sige lang. Solve that one. Pila iyahang pH. Assuming that the temperature of the solution is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, assuming that the temperature of the solution is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to solve for this one because it's very easy. So kung hydroxide ang ato ang unsa na? Hydroxide ang ato ang given, dili pH ang ato ang yung equation nga pH, no? Yung POH ang ato ang gamiton. Okay, so POH kay hydroxide man is equal to the negative logarithm of the hydroxide ion concentration. So this kini ang formula inyong gamiton. Negative logarithm of the hydroxide, I don't know, OH na, hydroxide, ini HO, OH, hydroxide, OH ba? Kalimot naman ang kaliwang. Let us check. Lagi OH lagi yung hydroxide. Bubo si Sir. Okay. Tama ito. OH. Yan. OH. Okay, hydroxide concentration. Dili kay HO. Ho, ho, ho. Sige. It's very easy. Pili answer. Pili answer. So if we have here calculator. Na, I'm waiting for your answer sa chat box. So pila ang pH ha, dili ang POH. pH ang akong pangayoon, dili ang POH.
1.35, sir.
Okay, 1.35. How about ang uban? Ano yung answer?
Yes, sir. Nag-chat na ko sa chat box.
Okay, si Jason, 1.35. How about ang uban? Paki-chat. Again ha, ang gipangita nato is ang pH, dili ang POH. Ang gipangita is ang pH, not the POH. Okay, Angelo Umbas, Ladia, the same lang. Carion, Geoffrey Masinadig. Okay, let us check, be. Kung 1.35 ba. Okay, kaya maura mo answer. Okay, so negative logarithm of 4.5 by 10 raised to the power of negative 2. The answer is 1.34. Then 6. Okay, so again, POH is equal to the negative logarithm of 4.5 by 10 to the negative 2. Again, ang gipangita is pH. Okay? Yung 1.35 is kini ang the POH man siya. Diba? So, POH is equal to 1.35. Okay? However, ang pH is unknown pa atong pH. Unknown pa. So, how do we get that one? How do we get the pH?
By subtract.
Okay? So, kahit
I-subtract ang POH.
Okay, yes. Thank you for that one. Ato, asan yung pagamyon ito dali? Para mas maklaro na ito. Okay. Ayan. Saan mo Ming? Ay, untay kaon, Ming. Okay, so the POH is 1.35. Okay? Now, we all know at 25 degrees Celsius, pH plus POH is equal to 14. Diba? So, kung naanatay pH 1.35, okay, ang pH nato wala pa. Okay? So, 14 here. All we need to do is to subtract 1.35 to 14 to get the pH. Okay? So, pH, okay. Ay, bundak. Nagkikiri nga kagabagay ng lagot. Labay-labay sa taong pagkaramang close. So, pH is equal to 14 minus 1.35. So, pila na? pH will be
12.65.
So, 12.65.
65.
Okay? So, nga na ha? pH man ato ang gipangita. Although, ang ato ang pag-solve is we will use the POH nga kini ang equation kaya ang ato ang given kay hydroxide man. So, POH atong gamiton. Okay? Pero kung ato ang given is hydronium H3O+, pH ang atong gamiton nga equation. Pero kung hydroxide ang ato ang given, POH ang atong gamiton nga equation. However here, ang given is hydroxide. So, POH ang equation itong gamiton. Pero ang gipangita is pH man. So, all we need to do is to subtract 14 subtract 1.35 which is the POH to 14 to get the pH. Pangutana for this example. Pangutana? Wala.
None so far, sir.
None so far.
Wala na, sir.
Okay? So, ayan ha, dili dayon mo kuan. You need to understand the question first bago mo hatag sa inyong answer. Okay? Yan. Here, pH atong ipangita. Pero ato ang equation is POH man. So, we need to understand the question first. How about ang uban? Nakasabay ra? Nakasabay ra mo?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Butas noodles. Ay, butong.
Sabay ra, sir.
Okay, let's have another example. Calculate, say for example, okay, at 25 degrees Celsius, calculate the pH and pOH of the solution with hydronium concentration of 6.3 by 10 to the negative 7. Sige daw. Okay. Yeah, solve for that one. And then, i-chat lang yapon sa ito ang chat box ang inyong answer for pH and pOH. So, duha ang pangitaon. However, ang given is only hydronium ion concentration. Sige daw. It's very easy. So, kung hydronium ion concentration ato ang gamiton, unsa nga equation to gamiton? Ang pH o ang pOH?
PH.
PH.
Okay, the pH
sir.
equations. Okay, use that one. And then identify also the pOH. So we have from Villamil, pH is 1.2, pOH is 12.8. Acidic daw ang solution. Okay? How about ang uban? Let's wait for the other answers. Now, always remember nga pag i-add mo ang pH o pOH at 25 degrees Celsius, the answer should equal to 14. So, for example, 12.8 plus 1.2, that will be 14. Wala na ilain answer? Hindi na kang Villamil? So, Glenn Trono, pH is 6.2, pOH is 7.8. Again, remember that the hydronium ion concentration is 6.3 by 10 to the negative 7. Okay, nausap ang answer ni Villamil, 6.2 and then 7.8. Usap mo na 6.2 pH or pOH. You need to kini ang sana. Rodalyn, dili capital ang P ha. Kay Philippines lang imo ha. PH, Philippines. Dapat capital ang H. Ang P ang lowercase.
Mali type, sir.
Okay. Okay, mga na 6.20, 6.2, 7.8. Okay, let's solve first. Let's solve kung tama ba inyo ang mga answer. Okay? So we have here hydronium concentration. So pH itong gamitan. pH is equal to the negative log of, dito na ta. Okay? 6.3 by 10 to the negative 7. Okay? So we're going to solve for that one. Okay? Negative log is, okay, ito lang i-edit. Negative 7, and then we have 6.3. 6.3. Okay? Negative log of 6.3 raised to the power negative 7, that will be 6.2. Okay? So, duha to significant figure, dapat atong decimal sa final answer is also 2. So, dili 6.2. It should be 6.20. Ha? So, kisa may naka 6.20 here. Carrion, Austria, Marian. It's not 6.21, ha? Kaya next nga number ni kini ang 0 is 0 man gihapon. Okay? Dili 6.21. Ilayo na kayo ng 6.21. 6.20 lang ta. So the pH here is equal to 6.20. Okay? So to get the pOH, ato lang sang i-minus na siya sa 14, pOH is equal to 14 minus the pH. So pOH is equal to 14 minus 6. I'm sorry. Mali gihapon ta. It should be capital gihapon. Capital ang H. Okay. 6.20. So that will equal to 7.80. Okay. 7.80. Ito yung significant figure nga. Or 2 decimal places. Okay? So the pH is equal to 6.20, which means acidic or basic? Acidic or basic? Ang atong solution?
Acidic.
Acidic. Okay? Acidic. Ang ato ang isa na. Ang ato ang solution. And then, since ang iyang pOH is greater than 7, so acidic gihapon siya. Acidic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question for this one. Again, you need to be careful on in rounding off. Kung pila ang significant figures itong given, sa final answer nato, ingala pod kadaghan ang decimal places. Here, duha ang ato ang significant figure, si 6 ug si 3. So ato ang final answer should have 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Walay pangutana for this one? So let's look at the examples dito as a website, no? And then try na to solve, although na ay uban nga na anay solution. Okay? So we have here a question, what is the pH of stomach acid, a solution of hydrochloric acid with a hydronium ion concentration of 1.2 by 10 to the negative 3. Okay. So, acidic na siya kay negative 3 ang iyahang hydronium ion concentration. Okay, acidic siya. Kay, from the name itself, hydrochloric acid, so acid din siya. Okay? If we're going to show the solution, we have here a negative logarithm of kini ang hydronium ion. So, the pH is 2.92. Okay? So, ang isolve, maura gihapon na, okay, negative 3, okay, and then 1.2 line, 1.2, 1.2. Okay? So the answer is 2.92. So duha gyapon ka decimal places ang atong final answer kay ang atong given two significant figure. Okay, kaya ang next number ni 2 is 0 man. So dili ta mag-add ng 1 sa 2. Okay. Nasabtan na ni nga kini ang problem. It's very easy lang naman, di ba? How about this one? Water exposed to air contains acid. Okay, yung carbonic acid. Okay? Due to the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. Air saturated water has a hydronium ion, H3O+, concentration caused by the dissolved carbon dioxide of 2.0 to negative 6. So, negative 6 ang iyang hydronium ion. So, kini ang air saturated water is acidic siya. Okay? About 20 times larger than that of pure water. Calculate the pH of the solution at 25 degrees Celsius. The same lang gihapon, it's 5.70. Okay? So we have here 2 to negative 6. Ito lang i-edit. Negative 6 and then 2.0 dahil na direct. 2.0. So, 2 significant figure. 2 at saka si 0. The answer is 5.698. So, duha ka decimal places, and then next ni 9 is 8 man. So, we will add 1 sa 9. So, 1 plus 9 is 10. So, 10 plus, it will become 70. So, 5.70 ang iyahang pH. That means it is kini ang acidic. Nakuha ni siya. It's very easy lang. Okay? Next tayo. Here. Calculate the hydronium ion concentration of blood, the pH of which is 7.3. Okay? Alkaline or basic. Okay? Alkalinity or basicity, the same na sila. Okay? So, ato daw dugo na ay pH na 7.3. Pero ang gipangita is ang hydronium ion concentration. Okay? So, if you are going to solve for that, okay, we will use this formula. Hydronium ion concentration, kato akong ipasulat sa inyo kagaina, is equal to 10 to the negative pH. Okay? So, hydronium ion concentration is equal to 10. And then, iyang pH, pila ganito? We have here, pH niya is 7.3. Okay? So, we have here negative 7.3. So, if you are going to use the calculator, okay, we have here 10 raised to the power of negative, raised to the power of negative 7.3 is equal to 5.01, okay, raised to the power of negative 8. Okay, so let us check kung tama ba ito ang solution here, sa solution sa basta kay negative 8, 5 point something, then negative 8 ang iyahang exponent. Okay, so we have here 5 by 10 to the negative 8 ang concentration sa ato ang hydronium ion. Okay? Ayan. Nakuha ra ni nga example sabtan ra. All you need to do is to himuon ninyong exponent ang value sa pH with 10. So we have here 10 to the negative 7.3 ang iyang exponent, this one. Nakuha ra ni? Hello, madungan ba ko ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madungan ra. How about this one? Hydronium ion concentration of a solution. Okay, ang pH is 1.07. Negative 1.07. So, grabe yun siya ka-acidic, no? Negative na yun siya. Okay? So, the same lang gihapon. Calculator. 10 is equal, 10 raised to the power of negative 1.07. Negative 1.07. What's it doing? Okay. Half. Yan. Negative tayo. Negative 1.07. Tama ba na ito ang imuha? Equals 11.74. 12. Okay. Pila nilibre yan? 11.74. Okay. So, run off na into 12 molarity. Okay? Okay, since ang pH niya is negative, so dapat inyong enclose sa inyong calculator with parenthesis. Okay? Parenthesis. Yan. Then, raised to the power of negative pH man. Negative pH. Ang ato ang formula. Okay? So, yung pH is negative 1.07. So, ang iyahang hydronium ion concentration is 11.74. Round off na siya into 12 here sa ato ang sa website. Okay, wala question for this one? Hello? Wala pangutana ani? Usabtan ra? Pangutana ani?
Wala na,
Usabtan ra?
Wala na, sir.
Okay, proceed tayo sa ubos. Ayan. This one is just example na siya. Tanaw ta atong this one. Another calculation. What are the pOH and pH of 0.0.25 molarity solution of potassium hydroxide? Okay? So, potassium hydroxide man, unsa man ato ang gamiton nga equation or formula? pH or pOH?
POH.
pOH kay
POH.
potassium hydroxide man ang ato ang given. So we have here this one. Yan. So pOH is equal to 1.903. Okay? So kung 1.903, that will be basic siya. Okay, ang yang pH is pOH is 1.903. Okay? Ito ang ikuan mas nagbibog mo din yun. Sa itong given, we check the given first. Given is 0. Ang hydroxide niya is molarity of potassium 0.0125. 0.0125. Okay. So we have here 0.0125 molarity of potassium hydroxide. Okay? So, POH, atong gamiton kay potassium hydroxide, na hydroxide ang ato ang given. So, POH na gamiton is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. Okay? So, POH is equal to negative log, okay, 0.012 0.12 ba to? 0.125. Okay, 0.125. 0.125. Okay? So let's use the calculator. Negative log of 0.0125 is equal to 1.90. 1.903. Kaya nga ito ang given, tulo ka significant figure, so atong final answer should have 3 decimal places. So sunod ni 3 kay 0 man, so as is lang ang 2. So POH is equal to 1.903. 1.903. That will be the POH. Okay? So, ang pH niya, all we need to do is to subtract it with 14. pH is equal to 14 minus 1.903. Okay? The answer for that is the pH. So, pila ni 12 point, gamit tag calculator. Okay? 14 minus 1.903, 12.097. 0.97. Okay? So this is now the POH, and this is the pH of the solution. So this is basics here. Okay, from the concentration of the hydroxide ion, potassium hydroxide, ang mas daghan. Okay? So 12.10 na ila. 12.903. 12.10 na ila. Ito I here is 12.097. Okay, so again, pre-significant figure man here, we will follow also pre-significant figure. Nakuha? Question
Yes,
for
sir.
this one? Okay. Wala na yung pamantana. Okay. This one po, we have here, ayan. The hydronium ion concentration of vinegar is approximately 4 by 10 to negative 3. So this is kini ang negative 3 ang iyang acidic siya kay vinegar is acid man. Okay? So the POH is 11.6, pH is 2.4. So again, kung imo nang i-add ng duha, it will equal to 14. So 11.6 plus 2.4, it will equal to 14. Okay? So today, dili naman kahibalog yun o kini ang pila ang kini ang in reality ba wala man di ba nato mahibalaan kung pila ang concentration sa hydronium ion o sa hydroxide ions. Okay, ang tan-aw nato for example, tan-aw nato ang kini ang isang solution na natay baso na liquid dinhaan. Dili man nato ma-identify pila ang iyang hydronium ion concentration using our eyes. Okay? So here na ay mga laboratory apparatus nato, mga pH meter that kini ang identifies the hydronium ion concentration of kini ang dissolution. Okay? So in this example, sige. For example, this one. First, Ang pH ani nga sa left niya picture is 7.053. Okay? Calculate daw ninyo ang iyahang hydronium ion concentration. Unsa kadaghan ang iyang hydronium ion? And I will wait for your answer in our chat box. So, iyang pH is 7.053. So, ang iyang hydronium ion concentration, ano sa dalanta? Ano tamalangan? Okay? So, hydronium ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to the power of pH. So, 10, negative pH pala. 10 raised to the power of negative pH. So, yung pH natin is 7.053. So, negative 7.053. So, ang iyahang hydronium concentration is equal to this one. 8 something. 8 point something raised to the power of 8. Okay? Nga nakadaghan ang iyahang hydronium ion concentration. How about this one? 10.33 ang iyang pH. Okay? 10.33 ang iyang pH. So, negative 10.33. Iyang hydronium ion concentration is equal to this one. Negative 11 ang iyahang exponent. 4.6 something ang iyahang hydronium ion concentration. Okay? Kining sa right, pila ka ang pOH ani? Kining sa right. Pila ang pOH? 6 point. Pila ang pOH ani? Kining sa right, yan ay pH ni 7.053. Pila iyang pOH? Hello. So ato lang nang i-minus sa 14. So 14 minus 7.053. Ang answer mao na dayon ang pOH. 6.947. Okay, that is the pOH for nasa left niya kini ang picture. How about kini nasa right, kining red nga pH meter. So minus na nato ang 10.33 sa 14. That will be 3 point something. Okay? The answer is 3.67 ang iyahang pOH. Okay, assuming that the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I hope dili na mo maglibog ana. pH and pOH. And also, we have this kini ang mga color indicators. Kung wala tayo pH meter, we can use color indicators. Yung mga, for example, yung mga litmus paper or any paper that can kini ang unsa na that can measure the acidity or alkalinity of a kini ang unsa na solution. Okay? Ang iyon ang bantayan pag ang kuan gani ang color sa solution, ang color sa kini ang inyong mga litmus paper or pH paper somehow yellowish, orange, or red, acidic na siya. Okay? Pag ang color niya is somehow yellowish, orange, or reddish, acidic na siya nga solution. Pero kung ang iyahang color sa iyang pH paper kung nasa kilid, pag nasa sa green, blue, or dark blue, paano siya? Basic. Okay? So, yung ana lang. Okay? So, again, we have always key equation nato din niya, kining upat or lima di ay. Okay? At 25 degrees Celsius. Ha? At 25 degrees Celsius, ang sum ni pH o pOH is always 14. Okay? Always 14 ang sum ni pH o ni pOH. Okay? And we have here another example. Try it. Okay? So, naanay mga answer din hiya. Naanay answer ang number 1, naanay answer ang number 3, number 5, number 7, 9, o 11. Okay? How about number 2? So, number 2 is this one. The ionization constant for water at 40 degrees Celsius is 2.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 14. Okay? So, we will calculate the hydronium ion concentration, hydroxide ion concentration, pH, and pOH at 40 degree Celsius. Okay? So, kana ang sa atong unang discuss or kini ang solve kay ang number 1 na may answer, number 3, 5, kini lang walay answer ato ang isolve, no? Okay, you can visit this website all the time, man. Okay? So, KW, yung ionization constant is 2.9 to the negative 14. Okay? Okay, so, I will just have to compute again this one because somehow I sipyat sa itong calculations kagaina. Okay? So here again, the temperature for pure water is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay? And the auto-ionization constant or the KW is equal to 2.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 14. Okay? So, ato adang i-calculate ang hydronium ion concentration, hydroxide ion concentration, the pH, and the pOH. Okay? If you are going to get the value of KW, okay, by the way, KW, as what we have discussed, is equal to the product of the hydronium ion concentration and the hydroxide ion concentration. Okay? So since we already have the value of the KW, we have here 2.9. So 2.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 14. Okay? So para makuha nato ang concentration sa hydronium at saka yung sa hydroxide ion, okay, dapat ang value ni KW is ato ang i-raise into or i-multiply nato into erase nito into exponent of 0.5. Okay, so how do we do that in the calculator? Okay, so in the calculator, okay, we have here 2.9 by 10 times raised to the power of negative 14. Okay, and then multiply nato siya to the power of 1/2 or power of 0.5. Again, click the exponent, type 0.5. So the answer will be 1.70. Okay, 1.70 to the power of negative 7. Okay, so the hydronium ion, pag ato siyang i-divide ang KW, okay, it will be, ang answer ana niya will be 1.70 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7. Okay? Mao ni ang value ni hydronium. Okay? Mao ni ang value ni hydronium ug ni hydroxide nga ion. So hydronium is equal to 1.770 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7. Si hydroxide also is, ang iyang value is 1.70 raised to the power of negative 7. Okay? Now to calculate for the pH, since we already have the value for hydronium ion concentration and hydroxide ion concentration, we will now use the formula. So pH is equal to the negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. So pH therefore is equal to negative log of 1.70 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7. Okay, so let's have the calculator. So we have here the negative logarithm of 1.70 raised to the power of negative 7. Okay, and the answer will be 6. Please significant figure. This will be 769, but since the number after 9 is 5 man, so it will be 770, 6.770. So the pH will be equal to 6.770. Okay? The pOH is the same ang value with the pH since ang ilahang concentration ni hydronium of the hydroxide ion is equal ang ilahang concentration. Okay? So pOH here is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion, okay, or the negative log of 1.70 by 10 raised to the power of negative 7. So pOH is the same with pH, 6.770. Okay, 760 man to sa ato ang calculator, no? 769 eh, 769. So ato ang run off, it will be 770. Okay, so again, KW, the PKW is equal to the pH and the pOH. This one. Okay, so that is equal to 6.770 plus 6.770. Okay, so that is 13 point something. So we have here 6.770 times 2 na to siya. That is 13.54. Okay. So the PKW is equal to 13.54. Okay. So if we're going to solve for the highest pH for water at 40 degrees Celsius, okay, the highest pH will be 13.54. Okay, 13.54 ang highest pH sa pure water under kini ang 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, if we are going to solve for this one, let's have the calculator. If you are going to solve for the negative logarithm of 2.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 14, the answer is 13.54. Okay, so for example, negative logarithm of 2.9 by 10 raised to the power of negative 14, negative 14 So the answer will be 13.537. So here, naka-round off na siya, 13.54. Okay? So, one way of checking our calculation is this one. Okay? So, ang pH sa 2.9 by 10 to the negative 4 is 13.54. Okay? So, again, pKW is equal to pH plus pOH. So again here, ang highest na pH is 13 or highest sa scale nato sa acidity of alkalinity is 13.54. Okay? So I hope this solves the confusion of of my previous mistake kanina sa calculation nato. Okay? Calculate, okay, calculate daw the pH, ha? Next slide ta karon. Madali na to. Insert, pick up, screenshot. Screenshot na natin number 4. Dito sige balik-balik. So we have here, calculate daw. Gamay ato nga dapat maklaro din. Okay, kaya. So calculate daw the pH and pOH of each of the following solutions at 25 degrees Celsius. So 25 degrees Celsius, highest na pH ana is 14. Okay? So let's start with letter A. Let's use black. Okay, so letter A ta letter A. Okay? So, ang given nato is molar concentration of hydrochloric acid. Okay? So, acid man, ang ato ang given, pH nga formula atong gamiton. Okay? So, pH is equal to the negative logarithm of this one, 0.200. And the answer for that, let's have the calculator. Okay, so negative logarithm of 0.200 is equal to 3 decimal places tayo. 0.698, and next ni 8 kay 9 man, so this will be 0.699. Okay? So pH, okay, pH here is equal to 0.699. Okay, tama ba? 0.699 ang calculator. Okay, 0.699. Okay, how about its pOH? So ang iyang pOH ato na lang i-minus sa 14. So, pOH is equal to 14 minus 0.699, and our pOH is equal to, ilan na? 13 para sigurado ta. So, 14 minus 0.699, 13.301. Oops. 13.301. Okay? So that is the pOH. Okay? Kaya 25 degrees Celsius man ta, 14 atong gamiton here. How about letter B? Okay, letter B. This one is sodium hydroxide. So atong gamiton nga formula, pH or pOH?
POH.
So we will use pOH. Okay? So, pOH is equal to the negative logarithm of 0.0143. Okay, let's use the calculator. So, we have here negative logarithm of Okay? 0.143, 0.0143. So the answer is 3 significant figure, 3 decimal places tayo. 1.844, next to 4 is 6, so round off tayo. It will be 1.845. 845. Okay? So the answer here, POH, is equal to 1.845. So that is the POH. So the pH, ito lang na siyang i-minus sa 14. So 14 minus 1.845. So the pH is pila? 12.845 155. 155. Okay, itong i-check diba sayang pa itong calculation. 14 minus 1.845 is equal to, yeah, tama, 12.155 ang ito ang pH. Okay? How about letter C? Okay? Letter C. pH or POH atong gamiton? Letter C. Isa nga formula, pH or POH. We have here, nitric acid. So, acid ba siya? So, pH. Nitric acid. So, we have your pH is equal to the negative logarithm, okay, of 3.0. Letter D. Dito na punta letter D. Sulat. Letter D, hydroxide na, calcium hydroxide. So, POH, ito ang gamiton na formula. So, negative logarithm of 0.0031. So, ito na din ang isolve. So, for letter C, okay, so the negative logarithm of 3.0, okay, duha ka significant figure, is equal to negative 4.7. Next to 7 is 7, so it will be negative 0.48. So pH here, pH is equal to negative 0.48. So the POH for that one, ito asang i-minus sa 14. Okay? So we have here 14 minus, okay, negative 0.48. Okay, so pila ka na. Let's have the calculator again. So 14 minus negative 0.48. The answer is 14.48. So POH is 14.48. Okay. Wait. POH 14.48. How about letter D? Okay, letter D tayo. Last na lang dyan eh. Naniyunto na ta. Okay. So letter D is the negative logarithm of 0.0031. Okay. The answer is 2.50. Duha ka significant figure. Next to 0 is 8 man. So this will be 2.51. Okay. So this will be POH is equal to 2.51. So the pH is ito lang siyang i-minus with 14 and 2.51. So 14 minus 2.51, pila siya? 11.49? 11.49 ba? To
Yes, sir.
11.49. Okay? So, ingala lang. This one. So, wala na tayo enough time for itong uban. But again, you need to try to answer ang katong uban nga mga questions nga wala solution.